Hi everybody, it's Tracy again back with another video. I would like to thank those of you who have subscribed to the channel. For those of you who have not done so as yet, I would like to encourage you to do so. So click the subscription button and the bell icon so that you don't miss any of the videos that I post. So it is the beginning of day 5 and I have lost 3 pounds thus far. I did not lose any weight yesterday because I had an event and there was going to be no fridge or anything like that to be able to store my food, so I wasn't able to keep my diet yesterday, unfortunately. So I've between Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, I've lost 3 pounds. Report some other persons they're losing weight nicely as well, so I hope that you guys out there are also losing weight and sticking to the diet. All right, let's get into the meat of the matter. So as you guys know, for the structure of the program, we're supposed to have raw food for breakfast, lunch, and dinner for Monday through Friday, and then we have a break on the weekends. So what do you eat on the weekend? Are you supposed to go back to your regular diet? No, because that way you will end up putting back on all the weight that you've worked so hard to lose during the week. So what we're gonna do is get a metabolic cookbook. We're going to use recipes from this cookbook here. As you can see, they are so delicious. They look so good, mouth watering. But anyways, yes. So why metabolic cookbook? First of all, their recipes promise to be fast to prepare with simple ingredients, and you can actually feed the entire family from this recipe book. Here are some other recipes that they have on display. As you can see, it's not our daily raw food, so we can actually enjoy ourselves a little bit on the weekend. We are not going to have 3 meals of cooked food on the weekend. However, we're going to have at the most 2. I would advise one of the meals be that way. As a matter of fact, there are persons who apparently have an issue keeping up with the diet at dinner time during the week. So if you're really having a problem, I would advise you get the cookbook and have your dinner from prepare your dinner from this cookbook rather than just eat whatever you feel like. All right, as you can see, unfortunately, there is a cost attached to the cookbook. It's only 10 US dollars. So, by the way, this is a special. There's if you get into the page and you buy it before I think 15 minutes have expired, then you get it for $10. If not, there is an additional cost to it. I'm not sure how long this special is going to last, so I advise that you get the book as soon as is possible. All right. Now, after we've lost all the weight that we want to lose, this is also the way that we're going to maintain that desired weight. All right. So, what are some of the other benefits of the metabolic cookbook? I am looking for it. Right. So, you actually have 250 quick to prepare recipes that would include breakfast, snacks, sides, smoothies, red meat, pork, chicken and poultry, fish and seafood, vegetarian meals as well. So you actually do have a wide variety, which brings me to another one of the benefits. I'm scrolling through trying to find it. You guys can take your time and look through the book before purchasing if you so desire. But I'm just trying to make the video a little bit short. So here we go. The book addresses 3 issues. So one of the problems that we have, which I believe is a real issue for most of us, we can cook, yes. Food tastes great, yes. But are we using ingredients that help to facilitate us losing weight? That is where I think we falter. So this recipe book, it has simple ingredients, but ingredients that will assist us in losing weight. The other issue is we just wake up one morning most of the time and decide, what we're going to cook for the day, what we're going to have. This recipe, it offers structure to our life in terms of what we actually have to eat on a daily basis, right? So there's no guesswork, and the dishes promise to be amazing as well. The other thing is, a lot of us, but this is in my belief, we eat some of the same foods repeatedly, you know. So this recipe book offers, you know, good variety to our lives, and also, the foods are supposed to help to facilitate boosting our metabolic rate, right? So you guys can scroll through, check it out for yourselves. Look at these recipes here. These are offered on the outside of the book for free before you purchase it. But it's just a sneak peek as to what the book actually has to offer. Look at that burger. Ooh, lovely. Yes. All right, there are some testimonials here that you can look through. Um, So, yes, guys, get the Metabolic Cookbook and have your meals from here on the weekend. And for those of us who cannot seem to maintain the diet at dinner time, this would be a good option for you as well. So, take care, guys. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.